Good morning to the respected principal and all the teachers. First of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Amit Gupta, a father of Yash Vardhan Gupta. Is one of the student of your school, and I just want to say one thing. First of all, I haven't met last 14 months to my family, to my child. We are suffering a lot, and you should have to understand, sir, that in the COVID period, lots of people were dying, and lots of family have lost. The people have don't work together. There's lots of things and lots of situation we are happening in our lives. We don't have any work in the COVID period. So how can we earn money? Yeah, I can understand that some of the guardians were getting not good for their child. But some people are suffering also. And I'm one of them. And I'm glad to have a principal like you. I have listened your all speeches in the YouTube. My wife has sent the school's link and I have opened it and I have listened all your speeches. So as a principal, your thinking was very good for children, for guardian, for parents, and I am 100% agree with you. Lots of guardians were doing the negligence for their childrens, that I can understand. But what about those peoples who are suffering? They won't get food at a time. Then how can afford the smartphone? So these are some situations that you should have to understand for us also. And once again, congratulations for the completing of 10 years, and we are very happy and glad to have like a principal and like a school of you. And I'm not in the home right now. I'm working at Hyderabad from last 14 months, and I'm also suffering, sir. So please try to understand our situations also. I can understand not all of the guardians are foolish, but some of their are. I agree with you. And congratulations once again to become a father. I'm also happy, sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shraddha Jaswal from St. Xavier's Public School. Today our respected principal sir is coming live on YouTube channel, on our school YouTube channel, and he said that our school is suspended because some of the students are not be active. So I am requested to my dear friends and their guardians, please be sincere. And I know that some of the students and their guardians are very sad to hear this news. I am also sad, but you know that our principal sir and teachers are also very sad more than we. So I am requested to all the guardians and their students, please be active. And I am also requested to the respected principal sir, please open the school. And I am promised to the principal sir and all my St. Xavier's teachers and their sir. I am requested to please open the school, and I promise that I may be punctual. And our principal sir is say that please give to their child dairy milk, and my parents give me dairy milk, 2 dairy milks. So thank you.
Good morning, my respected principal sir and my respective teachers. My name is Anshul Barnwal. I read in class 6A and my room number is 9.
My name is Manu Gurumbar. I read in class 3, roll number 7. My name is Ananda. I read in class UKG 24.
Respected principal sir and ma'am, please don't suspend us. We are very sorry and we realize our mistake. We try to only study and all activities. Guardians, please be sincere in study because NJS public schools are thinking for students. Please be active in WhatsApp, YouTube and attend daily Google Meet class. Yesterday sir is live on YouTube meeting and sir is said some strict words, but strict word is very motivated speech, and sir said very motivated speech, and speech can change our life, our career. And sorry sir, please don't suspend us.
Please, sir, don't suspend us. We are very sorry.
Sorry sir,
Sir.
sorry sir, don't suspend us. We are very sorry. And my mom giving a chocolate